accepting things as they are. Are you able to do that? Her name is Tanuppe. She is the god of raccoon dogs. Her special skill is transformation. She can skillfully transform into various things. She achieved this through daily practice with her rival and best friend, the fox god. Actually, there is another reason why she became skilled at transformation. It's because of her very straightforward personality. She has a mentor for transformation. She always accepts her mentor's teachings without hesitation. She chants the transformation spell. Pon pon tanupon, tanuppe poko. Smoke fills the air. When the smoke clears, her appearance remains the same. Why? Her mentor, who was watching, stands up calmly. Your visualization is lacking. You must observe and understand the details of the object you want to transform into. Transformation requires that understanding to the smallest details. Thank you, mentor, she says and starts running somewhere. Be careful not to rush and fall, her mentor advises. Got it. I'll be careful, Tanuppe responds. But as soon as she says that, she trips. Pon pon tanupon, tanuppe poko. Just in time, she transforms into a ball and happily rolls down a slope. Watching her go, the mentor murmurs, she grows quickly because she acts immediately. However, being a bit clumsy is her flaw. She returns to her home to search for something. And finally, she finds it. I found it. A magnifying glass. With this, I can observe the smallest details properly. She immediately begins her observations. Light bulbs appear above her head. Tanuppe had never noticed so many discoveries before. With this, I can visualize it better. She chants the transformation spell. Pon pon tanupon, tanuppe poko. Smoke fills the air. I did it. I succeeded, she exclaims and immediately starts running again. Mentor Tilda. I did it. Look, look, she says, transforming to show her mentor. You're getting quite good at it. Today's training ends here, says the mentor. Then Tanuppe says, thank you, mentor, and starts running again. Where are you going? The mentor asks. I'm going to the fox god's place, she replies with a radiant smile. Today as well, it seems she will practice with her rival and best friend, the fox god. I am giving away SNS icons. Receive them from the description section. Merchandise is also available. I would be happy if you liked it. Jump to the sales page from the description section as well.